Bubble sort is a simple, inefficient sorting algorithm used to used for sorting. It is generally one of the first algorithm that is taught in the computer science because it is a good algorithm to learn and build intuition about sorting. Running time is important thing to consider when selecting a sorting algorithm, since the efficiency is often thought of in terms of the speed. Bubble sort has the average and worst case running time of ON square. So in most case, faster algorithm is more desirable, which is a quick sort. Here I have created a program like we have done in lesson 21, creating a quick sort, creating a bubble sort.cpp, make exe. This will tell the time, complexity in bubble sort and the quick sort. Like on lesson 21 we have did the selection sort with quick sort. I have did here bubble sort with the quick sort. Also I have, like in the lecture 20, I have generated the data up to 32k and I have created the Excel. So this one is for the present, that has the log of the data and log of the time, and so here is the chart for the bubble sort. This chart is for the data, and this chart is for the log of data. So this is a linear and this is not a linear. And the bubble sort algorithm compares each pair of the element in an array and swap them if they are out of the order until the array is sorted. Here my complexity, here I just change the complexity from the threesome to the bubble to find the bubble complexity. So let me run the bubble program and show you the error is g++ bubble cpp bs.exe. So /bs.exe bs.1k.txt. So this will tell us how long it took. It took 0.02 seconds to run the 1k data. Let me run 2k.bs2k.txt, and it took 0.014 seconds. Like this I did up to the 16k, and I have put in the Excel like here. Then what I did, I calculate the 2 to the power c, which I got 3.98. Here we did slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, since x2 minus x1 is equals to 1, since 1k minus 2k minus 1k is 1. Also the slope is y2 minus y1. Here we use the for 32,000 we use 32,000 t to the power n square, and 0.014 divided by 2000 to the power 2, which we get 3.98. On the program for the, let me run it for the 32k.txt, will get 4.31 seconds, which is similar, I mean close to the 3.98 second.